Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can schedule your email at the perfect time using Mailbutler. So first, you want to head to mailbutler.io, and when you're here, you can just click try for free, and then when you're here, you can choose either Apple email, Outlook app, Outlook web, or Gmail. For me, I'm just going to use Gmail, and scroll down, go to Chrome Web Store here, I'm going to click it. And you can click add to Chrome if you have not added already. After you've added to Chrome, you can just go to Gmail and click on this icon on the right side here. There you go. And what you can do is you can try to compose your email. And for example, let's type in my own email. Okay. And what you can do, you can set a delivery date here. Alright, so I've set a delivery date here. And let's try to click schedule, and let's see if it's working or not. Okay. Oh, there you go. Now it's working, and you can check to send. And there you go. It is completely working. So now after that, you can go to tracked emails here, and you can see the email that you just sent and scheduled email. You can also see activity here, your scheduled message delivered. You can see your contacts, emails, and this is the home page. So yeah, now you know how to use Mailbutler to send your email in a perfect time. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.